Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Essay on Har Ghar Tiranga. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Essay on Har Ghar Tiranga. Introduction. Har Ghar Tiranga is a campaign run by the Government of India. This campaign has been started under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The Government of India has started this campaign to make the 75th Independence Day memorable. Under this campaign, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has requested to the people of India to hoist the national flag at their homes and make Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan or Har Ghar Tiranga campaign a successful. Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan or Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Har Ghar Tiranga campaign has been launched to mark the 75th anniversary of India's independence. To participate in this campaign, Indians have to hoist the national flag of India at their home from 13th August 2022 to 15th August 2022. At the same time, it has also been requested that all Indians should put the picture or photo of the Indian flag in the profile of their social media account. Certificates will also be given to the people who participate in this campaign. The website harghartiranga.com has also been launched for information related to the campaign. The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, had announced this campaign on the occasion of National Flag Day. Purpose of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. The sole objective of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is to inculcate a sense of patriotism and respect for the national flag in the minds of Indian people. That's why the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has requested to hoist the national flag at every home. Importance of Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan or campaign. Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is very important for Indians because under this campaign efforts are being made to connect the people of India together. When every citizen of India will hoist the Indian flag at his home, then the feeling of patriotism will be awakened in every Indian. Conclusion. The national flag of India is a symbol of the pride of the country. Through the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, people have to be informed about the importance of the national flag. Everyone should respect the national flag of India. It is matter of pride for all Indians to celebrate the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and to be associated with the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Therefore, it is the duty of all Indians to join the campaign run by the government and cooperate in making this campaign a success. So friends, after watching this video, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.